The dashboard is the main page for displaying data to you. For this video, no personal settings have been set. You can personalize the dashboard on the profile page. Initially, upon visiting the dashboard, the first group in the list will be selected to show data. If you wish to select another group, you can do so in the Select box. You can filter out your group by typing the desired group name. You can also click the other Select box labeled All Groups, where you will find all the used labels of your groups and a section to view a separate device. Next, we can select a date, which will determine what data will be shown depending on the selected interval. You can change the interval shown by pressing either day, week, month, or year. As you can see, the chart will update accordingly. You can also update the chart by shifting through time using the two arrows on the side of the graph. This will move you through time depending on the selected interval. Furthermore, you can switch views between counts and occupancy by clicking the button highlighted in the video. There is also an option to show which side of the people counter you would like to view. You can press into View All and Counts Only. There is a possibility to stack the bars together by pressing the stack icon. With the icon next to it, you can zoom into your data and use the other icon to reset the view. You can press the download icon to download the current view as an image. If you wish to download the current view's raw data, you can press the Download Data as XLSX button. If you want, you can also add a note to the selected group by pressing the Add Note icon. This will open a pop-up where you can type a note and select a desired time. Click Add New Note to save the note. When added, you can pin the note to always be shown at the top of the list. When we exit, we see that the note is also shown in the graph. Underneath the chart, you can select and unselect the items that are shown. Even further down, you will find a heat map. Here, the raw counts per interval are displayed. The heat map can also be downloaded as an image by pressing the download icon. If you have the setting summary of counts selected, a summary will be shown in between the heat map and the graph. Lastly, back at the top right, there is some information about the selected group. If you are an admin, you can click on the group name to navigate to the group details. If there are any subgroups connected to the group, you can click on the subgroup name to select the group on the dashboard. Finally, you can click on Personalized Dashboard to navigate to the profile page where you can set the personalized settings.